So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new Calendly invitee to GoHighLevel as contact. Let's say you are using Calendly as an appointment booking platform and you want that whenever a new appointment is booked in Calendly, a new invitee is created in your Calendly account, you want to add that same person as a contact in GoHighLevel. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, whenever a new invitee will be created in our Calendly account, automatically with the same details, the same person will be added as a contact in GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Calendly account. Now I want that whenever a user books an appointment with me on Calendly, whenever a new invitee is created in my Calendly account, I want to add that same invitee as a contact in GoHighLevel. Now to do this, we have to connect our Calendly account with GoHighLevel. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we are going to create an automation workflow. Click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I want to name my workflow as Calendly to GoHighLevel. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. Now as you click on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, automatically the details of that invitee of that booking will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that new invitee to GoHighLevel and we are going to add that same person as a contact in our GoHighLevel account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window in Choose app, we will just search for Calendly and select it. After selecting Calendly in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new invitee created. So if you are having an organization-based account in Calendly, you can select invitee created organization. Or if you are having a user-based account in Calendly, then in that case, you have to select invitee created user. So I'm going to select this user-based option. After selecting a trigger event, we have to connect our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect. So just click on this connect button and select add new connection. And to connect our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect, click on this connect with Calendly button. Now because we have already logged into our Calendly account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account over here. Just click on this connect to Calendly button in the pop-up window. And after that, we will see our Calendly account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the organization. In my Calendly account, I have only one organization. That's why here in this dropdown, you can see only one option over here. But if you are having multiple organizations, then in that case, you will see a list of all the organizations in which you are added in this dropdown. And also it is asking us for the users. So here I am selecting the user as dummy user, my main Calendly account over here. After selecting both of the options, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details of a new invitee from our Calendly account. So what we are going to do, we will just go to our Calendly booking page and we are going to make a test booking, a dummy booking over here. Let's say I'm going to make a booking for 3rd of May and the time is 10 AM. I'm just going to select this time. And the details of the person is this. The name of the person is demo user. This is the email address. This is the mobile number. We are entering a dummy mobile number. The city is, for example, Bhopal. And here in meeting note, we want to add as, for example, we are setting up this automation. We are setting up this automation. So just now what we have done on our Calendly booking page, we have entered the details of a dummy user. Now let's click on schedule event. And it is done. A new invitee has created a booking. A new invitee is created in our Calendly account. We have a new appointment. And because we have connected our Calendly account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same booking. Here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time this booking was made. Then after that, here you can see the email address of the person of the user who made the booking. Then we have the first name and the last name as well. Also here you can see we have the full name of the person. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the mobile number which we have entered. You can see the city. And also you can see basically the message, the meeting note which we have added. We are setting up this automation. This means that the details of our invitee booking or a new invitee being created in our Calendly account is successfully received inside Pabbly Connect, and the trigger step of our automation workflow is working perfectly fine over here. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to send these details of a new invitee to GoHighLevel. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in choose app, I'm going to search for lead connector. So to connect our GoHighLevel account inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select the application of lead connector over here. So I'll just search for lead connector and select lead connector version 2. After selecting the action application, in action event from the drop down, we are going to select the action event as create contact. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our lead connector account, our GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with lead connector button. Now because we have already logged into our GoHighLevel account in our browser, here you can see in the pop-up window, you can see a list of all the sub-accounts which we have created. And out of all of this, which account you want to connect with Pabbly Connect, we have to select that. Do you want to connect the agency account, main agency account, or any of the sub-account? Let's say I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect sub-account and I'm going to connect the Pabbly Connect sub-account over here with Pabbly Connect automation workflow. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the first name. That what is the first name of the new contact which we want to add in GoHighLevel. So we have received all the details of the invitee from Calendly in the trigger step. We have the email, first name, last name, mobile number, and all the other details. So one by one, we are going to basically send these details, add these details from the trigger step responses to this lead connector version 2 action step. And we are going to use a process called mapping. So here in the field of first name, we want to add the first name response from the trigger step. And to do this, just click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new invitee being created which we have received from Calendly. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then after that, we are going to use the same process of mapping for the rest of the fields as well. Click here and select the response of last name and map it. Then let's map the full name as well. We have the response of full name. Then we are going to map the response of email in the field of email address. Then it is asking us for the location ID. Now, if you have connected the main agency account of GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect and using that you want to create a contact in sub account, then in that case, what you have to do, you just have to enter the location ID of that sub account. And in that sub account, a new contact will be created. But right now we have connected the sub account, and in the same sub account named as Pabbly Connect, we want to create these contacts. So we are just going to keep this field of location ID as blank. Then it is asking us for the phone number. So from the drop down, let's select the response of phone number and map it. Then in address details, we only have the detail of the city. So we are just going to map the response of city over here, that is Bhopal. So in this way, what you can do, one by one, you can map all the details which you have received of a new invitee from Calendly into their respective fields. We have state, country, postal code, so all of these details are not received. And all of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. So what you can do, you can ignore these fields for now. Just map all the required data which you have received. And after mapping all the details over here, we will just scroll down. And after that, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the new contact which we have added, basically the details of a new invitee which we have received from Calendly, which we have mapped over here, using the same details, this person is now added as a new contact in GoHighLevel. So let's check it. We will just go to our GoHighLevel account, and here we will just go to the contact section. And yes, here you can see demo user, the same person who was added as an invitee in our Calendly account who has booked an appointment with us. The same person is now automatically added as a contact in GoHighLevel. We have the same name demo user, we have the same mobile number, and you can see we have the same email address as well. So basically we have the same details received from Calendly. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new invitee will be created in Calendly with the same details, that invitee will be added in GoHighLevel as a contact. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. For that, I'll just go back to my Calendly booking page, just refresh it, and then we are going to make a new appointment booking over here with the details of a new user. So what I'm going to do, I'll just select a date over here, for example, that's 11 a.m. And here I'm going to enter the details of a new person. The name of the person is test user. This is the email address. Let's add another dummy mobile number. Then the city is, for example, Mumbai. And then here in meeting note, I'm going to add, we are testing this automation. And click on schedule event. So just now what we have done, using the details of another user, we made an appointment booking using Calendly. This means in our Calendly account, a new invite is created. And we will see within seconds, the same person will be added as a contact in GoHighLevel. So we'll just go to GoHighLevel account and we'll just go to the contacts page once. And yes, here you can see test user, the same person with the same details is now added as a contact in GoHighLevel. We have the same name, test user, same email, and also the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.